In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all posts on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile page. Then tap at these three dots. After that, tap at Activity Log. Then tap at your Facebook activity right here. Tap right here next to Posts and select your posts, photos and videos. That's how we can easily filter all our Facebook activity by our own posts, photos and videos. And from here, if you would like to delete just one post, hit right here at three dots and then select Move to Trash, just like that. And also right from here, we can select all our Facebook posts by hitting at all, just like that. And then to move them to the trash all at once, just hit right here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.